Hi, welcome. It's your girl Juliana Soul Vlog, and today I'm here with another amazing unbox video. So today I'll be unboxing my Amazon package, my mystery Amazon package. I'm not sure what's in this Amazon box, but I know I'm excited to see what's in here, and I'm sure that you guys also are excited to see what's in here. So if it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. I don't have anything to cut it, so I'm just gonna rip it open. Hopefully I'm opening it at the right part. Why am I gonna have to put it in such a big box? And it's inside another package. Can you imagine it? What could this be? I'm not even sure what this is. So we're gonna see what's in here. A wig cap. Oh my god, 100% human hair quality. Oh my god. 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 And I guess I also received a wig cap, guys. I also received a wig cap. There it is. Oh my gosh. Let me see what this note says. Okay, free human hair wig. Yes, guys. So please order from ours. So I'm gonna leave all the information down in box. So they give me a little note. So let me read what it said. Free human hair wigs. If you receive this letter, it means you already become our special customer. As our special customer, our company specially invite you to participate in our product research, help us improve our quality and develop new product. After your survey, you will get a free wig. Yay! This is good. I don't think those information are for you guys, but let me show you my wig. This is when I say, guys, this here is completely free of cost. Completely free. So let's go ahead and open and check out this here. This is a 26-inch human hair. They said, yeah, human hair. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. I can't wait to install this here. Oh my gosh. It's already come pre-pluck, guys, pre-pluck. Oh my god, I'm feeling really good. Oh my god, I've always wanted one of these wig. I always wanted 100% human hair wig. So 100% human hair, best quality. Add our store to your list to get your discount. Yay! So this company, Amazon, is calling me, but I'm staying with the Chinese. I'm staying by the Chinese. Oh my god, look at this here. Completely free human hair, lace front. Look at this, guys. It also have the clip-ins. Yes, my hair finally arrived. Let me put this back on. I don't want my hair to be damaged. Let me put this back on, guys. I can't wait to install these here. I can't wait. Can't wait to get them installed. Can't wait, guys. 26-inch human hair. Human hair. Oh my god. And the packaging, when I say about the packaging is really and truly good. It's amazing. The shipments are very quick and easy and affordable. So these here are very affordable, guys. So I will definitely leave the link down in the description box for you guys to go ahead and make your order. What are you waiting for? It's so amazing. My 100% human hair and my HD 2-wig cap. I'm loving this. I'm loving this, guys. I'm loving this. I can't wait to put my hair on. Yes, I can't wait to put it on. Trust me. And slay these baby hairs. Oh my god. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you to this company that sent me this wig. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. So I'll be leaving the information down in the description box for you guys to go ahead and click. I'm gonna show you where I got it from so you can go ahead and make your purchase and become one of the amazing. Thank you. This watch band, this sports watch band, feels so good. Feel really soft and comfortable. Yes, guys. I've made a perfect choice by buying this. So they gave me two different color. I have the orange. I can wear the orange whenever I feel like. I can also change it out into black. So I'm definitely loving these straps. I'm loving them. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. So cute. They're so cute. Not gonna lie. I've made a good choice by ordering these. I think you guys should also go ahead and order these sports watch band. They are compatible with the Apple Watch. Okay.